sa Bayfront Hotel, capital site. We are getting ready. We are heading out today. Punta kaming Ayala. Magsa-Starbucks kami. Gusto ko mag-Starbucks. But first, naglagay muna tayo nito. Kalimutan ko to ilagay kagabi. Na-busy na tayo kagabi. Maglagay ako sa aking belly, tapos maglagay na din ako sa aking katawan. Actually, okay naman. Yung lotion na ginamit ko is yung Bello. Whitening lotion, may SPF 30 na. Inilagay ko sa aking legs at saka sa aking arms. Pero yung chan ko yung hindi ko nalagyan. So, maglagay tayo belly butter. So, ito pala yung ginagamit ko last time. Na nakalimutan ko, diba? Tapos, yung binili ko is yung from Palmer's. Ata yun. Ang bango nun, sobrang ano lang siya, very oily. As in, very oily, but sobrang bango. Ito, hindi siya same nung nabili ko last time. Parang iniba ata nila yung packaging. And I think they changed the formula as well. I don't know if I remember it right. Or baka hindi naman nila iniba. Ko lang yung nakalimutan na. But I don't think ganito yung kulay niya noon. Parang mas yellow yung kulay niya noon kaysa ito kasi white na siya, more on white siya. But it's the Burt's Bees Mama Belly Butter. Kaya maglagay na ako sa aking chan kasi nakabihis na ako, oh, nakalimutan ko. Tapos yung suot-suot ko is sa ilalim yung gustong-gusto ko. Na from TK Maxx naman to, yung ano guys ba, parang shorts lang siya. Na sobrang ano lang, sobrang comfortable lang, hindi siya masikip at all. Alright, mag-lotion ako eh. Tapos na magbihis, oh. Gwapo-gwapo na niya na. Isa yan sa namain ko, maliit na. Yes. Hindi na yan kasya pag summer na dong. Ready na ang lahat?
Yes,
Let's
sir.
go! Let's go, guys. Sige, labas na kayo. Ihi ako. Sorry, Ayla? Alo can go on your shoulders? Oh my gosh, are you that strong? Oh my gosh, you're so strong. Let's go! Go, Alo! Press the button! Go! Go! Press the button! Look at Ayla, oh, naka-dress. Shoes? Why? Oh no, fix shoes! Fix shoes, tita! Oh no!
I think. Sorry, do.
Okay, this one. Okay, go, press the button, quick! Press the button! This way! Press, quick! Oh, can't reach! Can't reach! Yay! Say, open, please! She did it, baby! That way, that way. Nasa 15th floor tayo eh.
To the diving fast.
Oh, really? Is Tito driving fast?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Sabi niya hold on daw because Tito drives fast. Tito actually drives good.
Di mo ko kikaklaro good.
You can't drive fast in the Airpens. Traffic is really, really bad. We're going to Ayala! My goodness, kailan yung last nag-Ayala tayo?
Ako, ilang years na.
Yeah, year same. Feeling ko wala pang mga kids. Naalala ko, nag-Ayala kami ni Dan. Tagal-tagal na nun, guys. Gusto ko mag-Starbucks. Wala pa akong kain, wala pa akong kape, wala lahat. Open? Di na tapos balik na may sige na bigyan tag-ara.
Sige, balik. Hindi naman tang malit.
Wala naman tayo kwarta. Dali-dali manahorot. Okay, parking tayo. Dito na kami sa Starbucks. Kain muna tayo, guys. Kape. I'm sitting here.
Why?
Relax na yung isa. Oh, where's your shoes? Alo. Itagtag niya yung sapatos? Ara lang namin kay kaan sila. Wala na. Nahulog na sapatos. O, chinelas.
The toilet.
You wanna go to the toilet? Oh, go follow them. Go. Toilet daw siya. Just you and me. Batang bael ka kasi. Uy, buyag-buyag nitong mga bata ko. Ang dami nang nakain. Nakailang bread na to si Dudong. Nakabanana pa. Nagbiskwit pa. Careful there, mate. Oh, sit down, sit down. Yay! Buyag-buyag, ay. Okay na okay siya sa car kanina. Ano lang siya. Nakaupo lang siya sa lap ni tita. Pagbaba namin sa parking lot, doon na. Nagpapakarga na. Ngayon, okay na naman ulit siya. Mahirap magkarga, guys, kasi gusto niyang magpakarga tapos hindi ka nakaupo. Yung karga talaga na naglalakad pag gusto niya ako mag-exercise na.
Mom.
Ha? More? Please? Oh, this is from Tita Ikang. Tita Ikang and fam. Thank you, Tita. Dala-dala ni Marlon kagabi after niya ihatid si Ikang sa bahay nila. Meron siyang dalang-dalang ganito at saka yung gun na dala-dala ni Arlo, pinahiram din niya ni Tita. Thank you, Tita. Tsaka may floaties din. So, pwede mo lumangaw yung mga bata mamaya kasi nakahiram kami ng floaties. Arlo, no! Yung mga floaties kasi nandun sa sa luggage ni Dan. Kasi wala naman sa plano tong pag-stay namin dito sa city. Wala lang talaga kaming tubig dun.
I want to.
Water, yeah, here. Good job. Buti na, dala tayong tubig. Lumipat kami dito sa taas. Lumipat kami dito sa taas. Ayaw namin sa loob kasi may mga cats. Nag-order kami ng additional mocha frap na walang kape. Oh, what's that?
Sige, palitan din ka itong croissant.
Kaya nga siya na yung kumain.
Kanin, share ka.
Si Arlo na yung kumain ng croissant ko. Tingnan yung anak ko, guys. Sabi ko lang, kandami ninyang kinain. Kumakain na naman na. Nasa baba. Yes. Hello, share with ate. Share with ate.
Ham and cheese, and I can't remember the rest. My egg.
Share with ate.
Ano pa yung
They
breakfast?
oh, good. Look, they're
Ano
sharing.
yan? Chicken.
Butang diha.
Chicken, yeah.
Good.
Thank you, Alo. Ayaw na niya. That's enough, ate. He doesn't wanna.
Merwin. Where siya? Siya yung nag-deliver ng food.
Mama.
Share lang ta.
Hindi siya.
Oh, naday ka. Yeah, Marsha.
Hala ka lang.
He has a boo-boo. Jabba Chip.
Kalimot na ko lang eh. See?
Ako ah.
Try ko sa'yo.
Tama.
Thank you. Bayad sa amin.
Ayun, Robin.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Shout, naki-shout
For
out.
Arlo.
Hi. Chani.
Yeah, Chani.
Thank you, Chani.
Thank you.
Ay, salamat. Thank you very much.
Thank you, kaayo.
Yes, my God. You.
For Arlo daw.
Thank
you so much, Chani.
Thank you. And
Bye. Say thank you. Look. He gave you this. What do you say?
Decided ako sa kuwang mama ang pig kanawa group.
Oh, look.
Hala.
Kasi pangat si mama.
Hindi, kay family man na mo. Dilivid sa inyong vlog ba?
Kasi pangat si mama.
Marichu Estrada from Singapore.
Ay, Marichu.
Yeah, Marichu.
Hi, Mami Marichu. Hello. Salamat po.
Thank you. Thank you, bye.
What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? Arlo, what do you say? Ayla, what do you say? Thank you. He gave you a drink. Here, it's yours. Mom, he gave you a drink. It's for you, from him. What do you say?
Thank you, kayo.
Oh, thank you, Sam. Thank you, kayo. Thank you, Chani. Thank you, Starbucks. Thank you, Starbucks. Order sana kami ng bago kasi walang walang kape. Binigay ni Chani. Thank you, Chani.
I got a big one.
Yay!
I got a big one.
Look at that! That's a big Starbucks!
Huwag mo ka nag-setting to.
Yes.
Hadlock man na sila good. Sa bag ko.
You ate it? Yeah. Is it yummy?
Oh, Mama.
Kwarto mo ba?
Mom.
Kailan na yung tikit?
I did it.
Yun ang bito niya.
Yeah.
That's it in my hair.
I know, you guys are sitting next to each
Kailan
other. That's so
kailan
sweet.
ako kailan ni ate.
Tina yung anak ko. Nakabili na. Nakabili na dun. Pumasok siya doon, bili daw siya libro.
Very cute.
Bilhan daw niya ng libro si Arlo ng dinosaur. Anong nabili? Kanina pa siya pabalik-balik doon. Ang cute niya. So, punta siya doon. Tapos sabi niya, I need $5. Oh! What?
Is that drink?
Tapos sabi ko, how much? Kasi walang dalang money si Tito. Sabi niya, $5. So, kumuha siya ng 15 ata sa wallet ko. Pagbalik niya doon, 92. Sabi niya, oh, we need a lot of money. Ang cute ni Ayla.
Slime down.
Oh no, good luck to
You
this.
got slime, Ayla. How lucky.
What do you say? Who gave it to you?
Twins.
What do you say to Tito Waynes? What do you say to Tito Waynes? Oh my gosh.
Mami. What do you say to mommy?
You're welcome, baby. Oh my goodness, baby. This is crazy. Yan yung gusto-gusto niya.
Uy, yung gusto lang na lisod kay Konan.
Magigil yan.
Kana kay kusog kay ka
Gusto bili ka ng
magigil.
gigil ta.
Uy, ayaw mali ka mo need. Wait ko ba? Kaya tigniday.
Gilimpyuhan pang table.
Dilibihan.
Ano siya cookies?
Are you baking cookies?
Ah.
Oh, wow.
No, I don't make it.
Ayla.
Dito kami sa Happy Skin. Nakalagay na ako sa brows ko. Si mama din, naka-lipstick. Naglagay ako sa brows ko, guys. Nung ano nila. Nice?
I don't know. Mura mag-white ako.
Yes. Hala, where's your slippers? Put it on. From Happy Skin to BLK. Habang binabantayan ng mga tito ang mga kids. Ikaw, ma. Tanaw dari, ma. Yeah. Baby, baby. Oh my goodness, guys. Are you so happy? Yeah. What do you want? That is a bowl. It's a bowl. Ay, ang ganda ni Maring Ann doon sa likod. Oh. Ano? I think so. Tinry namin yan, oh. Creamy all over paint. Still walking around. Nahanap na namin si Mark at saka si Ranran. Hindi kasi sila sumama kanina, may lakad sila. Now they're here. Ayun na. Ay, may H&M dun, oh. Ay, si Arlo. Sana makatulog. No, 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 no. Dito na kami sa Jerry's Grill. Kain tayo lunch, guys. Si Miss nasa toilet. But we're here. Ayan, oh. Jerry's Grill. Ayan. Naka-order na kami. 20 minutes daw yung waiting. Gutom na mi. Gusto ko magsisig. Arlo's happy. Feeling ko makakatulog to si Arlo sa car. Yeah. Feeling ko. Muntok na siya eh. Ay! Timing tayo. Tingnan nyo. May nagwi-wait sa labas. Food's here. Oh my gosh, that looks good. Thank you, sir. 246. Sarap po. Squid. Sinigang. Lumpia. Asan ang aking wala akong sisig. Ayan, lumpia. Tapos chicken din. Nag-order din kami chicken. You want rice? Your drink? Kain tayo. May nahawakan na. Ay, ang galaw naman. Wala, ang dami na tayo order. Sobra na naman yan. Ikaw lang. Lain lagi ang lasang.
Gulay? Oh, gulay. Dito no.
Yummy, yummy. Malapit na ba maubos? Ang sarap ng chicken, guys, in fairness. Gustong-gusto ko yung chicken nila. Yung sisig lang, hindi kubet. Yung sisig. Tingnan nyo, yan pa naman sana yung request ko. Kaya lang may matamis. Pero ang sarap ng chicken. Si Arlo, chicken is life! Chicken is life! Antok na, pero stop, Tito. He's eating. Buyag, buboy, oy. Buyag. Yummy chicken? Ang dami namin in-order. In fairness, naubos namin except my request, yung sisig. Masarap yung chicken nila, pero yung sisig hindi masyado. Matamis. Hindi talaga. Yeah. Iba yun, no? May cinnamon kasi. Very strong yung cinnamon flavor. Ang ingay-ingay dito. Nandito kami kanina before kami nag-lunch, pero hindi kami naglaro. Sabi ko kay Ella, balik tayo dito mamaya after lunch. And now we're back. Tito's getting... Kailangan ng ticket mo? Ticket ang gamitan? Or a token? A card? What do you want, Ayla? Hala, Ayla wants the egg. Ah, yeah? Let's go. Go press! Si Ayla, ha?
Dua. Basta-batakan ng card.
May nagkuha na.
Oh.
Siyo, di man makuha lagi.
Beta, 언제 kami sa Sinsiyo? Wow, good job, Ayla. Yay! One more.
Go, go. Off. Okay, that's it. Press. That's you win.
Sige pa. Dali na.
That's you win, ate.
Wow, good job. Let's go.
Ay, loko.
Again.
Go.
Go, press.
Oopsie.
Yay!
Good job.
Good job. Again.
Oh, that's so good. Tagluin daw si Arlo. Marlon! Tagluin daw si Arlo. Saan man eh?
Yeah, Arlo, pull the trigger. This one. Nakaduwa na din eh.
Oh, duwa din na.
Yawat.
Go, Gigi, Arlo, go! Hello. Tabangi. Stop. Go, Arlo, go! Stop. Go. Hala, kadali na human. Go.
Ayla. Ayla.
Ayla.
Ayla.
Where are we going now? Are we gonna go back to the hotel and swim?
Yeah!
We have floaties.
Yeah!
Are you gonna move your arms and your legs?
Yeah!
How about Alo?
No! That's one.
Dinosaur. Swim. Do you wanna swim or do you wanna sleep?
Baby!
Yay! Show them what you won.
Fire!
Spider!
I did that.
But you got a Teletubby. You got a Teletubby.
What is it?
It's at the back.
A bed?
You got that. So we spent magkano? 900? 800, 900? 800 plus. May nakuha kaming spider. Na very good quality. Very good quality spider. At kukuha kami maliit na Teletubby.
Hello!
Hello! At mga lulis ni Ayla. But nag-enjoy naman sila. Did you have fun there, Ayla?
Yeah.
Yes, that's good.
Asa ta dong left?
So ano na kami guys, balik na kami sa hotel. Ipa-swimming namin tong mga to.
The same result.
Dito kami sa kwarto ng boys. But we're moving rooms. May, you can't open that.
It's for off.
Yeah, we have to wait for Tita Ikang so we can blow it up.
It's for off though.
It is for arm. Hala!
Love it!
Si Arlo.
Love it!
Where's Alo? Ala, kakalinis lang ng kwarto. Ang dumi-dumi na Marns. Thank you. Let's go. Al Sabalutan. We will go to a new room.
I don't need a new room.
Because the AC is not working properly. It's hot. It's hot because the AC is not working. Tapos ano din siya, may tumutulo na ano, tubig. Oh, yours is? Oh my gosh, you're so lucky you have your own fan. And we are here. Room 1212. Nasa ibang floor nga lang kami. Hindi na kami magkapit-bahay ng ano, boys. Oh my gosh, he's so big! Oh wow! You like the flowers? Oh, what do you say to Tita Ikang? Oh. Yeah, maganda. Meron pang mirror. Oh. Ganda.
Just give me 10 minutes. I'll follow.
Follow.
She'll follow us? Alo? Ask Tita Rich. Say, hurry up.
Hurry up.
Okay, boy. Sorry, boy.
Just follow us.
Just follow.
Just follow us. Okay. Let's go swimming. Are you ready? Tara. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ang cute ng floaties nila. Yan yung maganda. Nakakalangoy si Ayla. Tingnan mo si Ayla doon. Naglalangoy na, oh. Siya lang mag-isa. Well done, baby. Si Arlo. Counting 1 to 10.
7, 8, 9, 10.
I saw that, princess. You are so good. More! Dito na yung aming drinks. Tequila sunrise to kay Miss. Kaya lang wala pa si Miss dito. Nag-e-edit sa baba. And then, bubili ako ng mga juice para sa akin. And yung mango smoothie. Same nung kagahapon. Ang sarap nito eh. Kain tayo? Ay, inom pala. Hello!
Ready? Mark. It's what Mark. A tissue. A tissue. We all fall down.
Oh, powder. May mga kwan din. Kitikit.
Kiti-kiti ka.
Ring ka, ring ka.
Di man siguro pwede ang food diri.
No,
Yeah. Food's not allowed. Chips here. Chips, look. Let's eat. Come on. Let's eat chips.
Your hair.
Kain sila guys, kain. Nagutom. Kanina pa kami dito sa pool. Hi, baby. Good job, guys. Oh, Arlo. Yummy. Good eating, princess. Sa'yo po. Oh.
I don't have to
Feed Tito.
Una ko.
Can I give Tito some fries? Aww. Sleeping na si Dudong. Pagod na pagod siya guys, kaka-swimming. So kain na kami. Dito lang kami kakain. Nag-order kami mang inasal.
So yummy. Uyo sa rice di so. Pila ka extra rice pa rin
5. Ayan, nag-order kami mang inasal. Puro pecho. Ang laki. Hala, ang kunti lang ng sus. Ito, chicken oil. May bayad pa. 8. Ito, 2, 4. 4 pala na extra rice lang. Kuan, rice naman ni mama. Nag-order ako sisig guys kasi hindi ko nagustuhan yung sisig kanina. Sisig. Sisig! Yummer! Sisig ka.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Ulam?
Oo.
Adobo?
Hindi.
May sabaw?
Wala.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Filipino food?
Gusto kita ng sudan.
Kasama.
Barbecue?
Hindi.
Humba?
Hindi.
Manok? Baboy?
Pwede.
Pwede.
Baka?
Pwede.
Pwede.
Walang sabaw?
Wala.
Kutsero?
Hindi.
Pagkain, lugar.
Hindi.
Pagkain, lugar.
Hindi. Tao?
Hindi.
Bagay? Hindi. Lugar?
Hindi. Meow.
Hayop?
Tama.
Aso?
Hindi.
Meow? Lagam?
Hindi.
Pwede. Pwede.
Maya?
Hindi. Sige.
Maya? Parot?
Pwede. Sige pa.
Manok?
Hindi. Dito na ang aming milk tea. Yeah. Of course, baby. Yes, yeah.
Passion fruit ata lang sa'yo, Day? Sa'yo ba yan? Milk tea
I got
and...
it. I want that one.
That's yours. This is mine? Yeah. Alright, this is yours and me. Mine, I love.
I can't share.
You can share? Yeah. You share
And
with me.
baby wants that.
Baby wants some too.
Matcha sa
Yun na, pati.
I guess matcha. Ikaw,
Brown sugar akin. Weh. Tatagawa ko.
Yan na nga, pakatilas ako. Akin is...
This is from Golden Sugar.
Yeah. Golden sugar. Yung akin is matcha and...
Cheesecake?
Cheesecake, yeah. Patay ko ni cheesecake. So, yung ito ni gatas.
Kailangan ko na. Nami. Matcha cheesecake kami.
Sila ko nung ano yun. Ganun ko inana.
Sila mo mukil na?
Ha? Parehas mo.
Tapak.
Ayoko. Sarap daw eh. Ano ba to?
Kiwi, pineapple.
Teacher, fry ka? Mayroon to sila.
Lips to lips kaming lahat dito. Kami ito. Okay lang yan. Very happy.
Na may fruits. I like shake.
Ikaw eh, kailangan mo ito eh.
Lamigsan?
Nabigsan siya.
Ay, hindi na.
Wow!
Pero kanya ako favorite.
Lamit din no?
Lychee kay ano, inday lang na. Lamig na yun.
Lamit man doon.
Say goodnight to everyone. Come on. Huh? You can play with me in the bed. Come on. Say goodnight to everyone. Give them big hug and big kisses. Tito Mark. No? Not Tito Mark. Tita Ikang. Say goodnight to Tita Ikang.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Alden.
Say goodnight to Tita Rich. Tita Rich.
Duha naman. Wala kuwan.
Naglalaro siya. iPad niya eh. And Tito Wayne's. What, no? No boys tonight?
No boys.